Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a memory foam pillow, but this one in particular is not like your normal pillows. This one is a gel infused memory foam pillow, and basically what the benefits of using a gel infused memory foam pillow compared to like your regular memory foam pillow is the fact that the gel is actually like a cooling gel, which is super awesome, especially when it's like really hot during like the warm summer days or whatever, to give you guys that cooling effect and you won't feel as hot when you actually use it. So first thing first, let's actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like right here and what's included inside first. Alright, so when we first open it up, you can see that is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So you can see the product itself is all nicely compressed inside right here. So we do have to take it out. So on the actual product itself right here, you can also see that they provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself and how to maintain it. But right here, we have the actual product itself. You guys can see it's all compressed very nicely in here, so it'll probably take some time for it to fully expand. But let's take it out first. So it's been a couple of seconds now, and you can see that it expanded really fast. And the moment you guys feel the material on here, it feels really nice. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it actually works for any type of sleeper. So whether you guys are a side sleeper, your back sleeper, or your stomach sleeper right here, it doesn't matter what type of sleeper you guys are because it all works really well for you guys. Like when you feel the material on here, it definitely feels really comfortable and really nice. I think out of all the pillows that I've tested so far, this is probably one of my favorite ones so far. Obviously the pillowcase itself is removable, so if you want to take it out to wash it, you definitely can as well. And like I mentioned, for the inside, the material that they use on here, it is a gel infused memory foam material, which is super awesome and really nice. If you guys are curious about what I'm talking about and what is in here, you can refer to this image right here. You guys can definitely see the overall product itself looks pretty awesome. To the side right here, they have this very nice little lining as well. This is basically where the zipper is. So if you guys open up the inside, you guys can definitely see what it actually looks like inside in terms of the gel infused memory foam. So I'm actually opening up the zipper to show you guys what actually looks like inside. So right here at the zipper, let's open up. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like inside right there. You guys can see the cooling gel inside right there in terms of the cooling memory foam. You guys look very carefully inside right there, there's a bunch of holes right there. And that is basically for giving the pillow itself room to breathe for that cooling effect that it mentions. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. You guys can see it looks amazing and definitely feels amazing as well. Perfect for people who want to get like a brand new pillow to get that comfort and everything else as well. And you guys want to sleep on it, just go like that. And it definitely feels really nice as well. You definitely get that very soft texture like I mentioned, which is really cool, and all the other benefits like I mentioned as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now the really quick unboxing and test the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any kind of like memory foam pillow, especially ones that is gel infused that has that cooling effect onto it, is definitely super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.